choosing the right bicycle saddle can completely change your riding experience. An uncomfortable seat can lead to pain, fatigue, and reduced performance on both short trips and long adventures. Whether you ride on the road, mountain trails, or through city streets, a quality saddle offers better support, comfort, and stability. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best bicycle saddles of 2026, featuring lightweight carbon models, ergonomic comfort seats, and innovative 3D printed designs. We researched the web and real user reviews to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more cycling gear reviews. Number 5. RYET Carbon Saddle. The RYET Carbon Saddle is designed for cyclists who want to reduce weight without giving up comfort or durability. Its carbon construction provides a strong yet lightweight design that helps improve overall riding efficiency. The streamlined racing shape encourages a natural riding position while delivering dependable support during long-distance rides and intense training sessions. Built for road cyclists and performance enthusiasts, this saddle combines modern engineering with a sleek design to deliver a smooth and confident riding experience. Number 4. GOLDIX 3D Carbon Saddle. The GOLDIX 3D Carbon Saddle features an advanced 3D printed design that enhances comfort by distributing pressure more evenly throughout every ride. Its lightweight construction makes it suitable for road bikes, mountain bikes, and racing bicycles without adding unnecessary weight. The breathable structure promotes better airflow, helping riders stay comfortable during longer cycling sessions. Combining innovative materials with practical performance, this saddle is an excellent upgrade for cyclists seeking comfort, durability, and a modern design. Number 3. West Biking Ergonomic Saddle. The West Biking Ergonomic Saddle is made for riders who prioritize comfort on every journey. Its widened and thickened cushion helps absorb road vibrations while reducing pressure during extended rides. The ergonomic shape supports a more natural seating position, and the breathable center channel improves airflow for added comfort. Compatible with both mountain and road bikes, this saddle delivers dependable cushioning, durable construction, and reliable support, making it a great option for commuting or recreational cycling. Number 2. Modern Comfort Saddle. The Modern Comfort Saddle is built for riders who value stability and relaxation during every trip. Its wide padded seat provides generous support, while the integrated backrest adds extra comfort for longer rides. The adjustable height design allows it to accommodate different riding preferences with ease. Designed for electric bicycles, tricycles, and other comfort-focused bikes, this saddle offers a smooth and supportive riding experience, making daily commuting and leisure rides far more enjoyable. Number 1. New 3D Printed Carbon Saddle. The new 3D printed carbon saddle stands out with its modern construction and rider-focused design. Its lightweight carbon fiber build helps improve cycling performance, while the 3D printed structure provides balanced support and enhanced comfort on longer rides. The breathable hollow design promotes better airflow, keeping the ride more comfortable in different conditions. Suitable for mountain, gravel, and road bikes, this premium saddle combines innovative technology, durability, and everyday comfort in one impressive package. A great bicycle saddle makes every ride more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. These 5 models offer lightweight designs, reliable support, and innovative features for different riding styles and budgets. Whether you ride for commuting, fitness, or adventure, there's a saddle here for you. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cycling gear reviews.